Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, Empire, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I've been seeing a lot of action over on the amp on the crypto Twitter. I haven't looked at the Reddit. I'm sure it's very very similar. A couple of things recently is kind of ginned up some excitement around the token again, and I just wanted to give my thoughts on that. So the first one was the booth, the amp booth. Man, that was fantastic. I mean, I really don't need these. I'm not even sure why I'm wearing them right now. The amp booth was fantastic. The blockchain video and the nails in the salon, and really really showcasing what you can do, or at least the direction that the Flexa marketing team seems to be taking. I fully agree with that, because what they're doing is they are actually they've asked the question, who are we marketing to? What problem do we solve? How do you use it? I mean, they nailed it. That thing was just fantastic. I'm not even going to ask how much they spent on that, but it's going to come down to ROI, really. How many consumers did you get out of this? How much value are you actually going to drive back over to the token? Because it's very important to AMP that Flex be successful, because Flex is the only people that are really using it right now. But it was, man, tip of the hat. I think they absolutely nailed that one. And they spent a lot of time at conferences, I'm sure, as you guys are aware, and they're putting some big spends out there. So I'd be really, really curious how much, how much return they're actually getting on that investment. But I understand why they're doing it, because they actually know who their customer is, or the customer that they're trying to reach, and that literally puts them just leagues ahead of everybody else out here. So they're not going there saying please buy our token. They're going there saying please use our product. This is what we can do, and this is how. I think it's fantastic. It's again, you're so far ahead. That part of it, man, they are so far ahead of what everybody else out here is doing. And it's nice. It's a nice change of pace. We don't get an awful lot of that out here. And all the other action was around the price of the token. Guys, look, man, it's a token. All right, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. The only thing that's really going to sustain it is going to be organic usage, and organic usage is what what the marketing arm is for, is to get these customers, is to make these connections, to get out there and put it into the hands of more consumers, and drive more business via this spend app, or whatever they happen to be pivoting into. But I just you know what, credit where it's due, man. I think they absolutely nailed it. It was very very neat. It was unique. I hadn't seen anything like that out there at any of these events. I've only been to a couple, but I haven't seen anything like that, and I think they absolutely nailed it. But it's going to be up to you guys now to not let the hype die. I don't see them pushing out a lot of information there. That's one thing that they've been very very good at all this time, is playing everything real close to the chest. So yeah, it was a nice change of pace to kind of see that coming around. And yeah, that's it. So once again, credit where it's due. I think they absolutely nailed it. I'd like to see them continue kind of pushing along that line, but doing it from a social media standpoint, because let's face it, man, this is where the reach is now. So yeah, if they continue going along those lines, I think they are definitely going to stay in the conversation, or at least get into the conversation, and that's where we're at. So anyway, just a short one, guys. I just again wanted to let you know that I saw it, and I think they did tremendously good on that. So anyway, that's it. Questions or comments, Scott let me go back to camera one here. Questions or comments, Scott at thepodcast.com. I answer any and all. And until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, guys. Cheers.